Hi. So many of you wameniuliza, Judy, how do you make your soup? Please hear me out. What if I told you that one conversation, just one, could change everything for you right now? Na si kwa DM, like a real conversation with a real person in the same room. What if the person you randomly sit next to at lunch turns out to be the investor that you've been trying to get for months? Or what if that person that you just start vibing with at this event, next thing you know, they're your co-founder? And what if you just show up as a freelancer, just looking for your next gig, and you live with not one, not two, but three clients, yeah? There are actually companies coming, and local companies up at home, regional companies, international companies, and all these companies are looking for talent. And maybe that talent is you. And for the comrades, the campus people, you could walk into this event not knowing what's next. And you know what? You walk out with a job. It happens. Oh, and for the techies, you may just meet your tech bro or your techies, the one who understands the madness, yeah? Skiza, hizi stories za jaba. This is genuinely what happens when you put the right people in one room, founders, developers, creatives, freelancers, corporates, fresh graduates, in one place and at the same time. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Odoo Experience Africa 2026. So forget the what ifs. The only what if that should be scaring you right now is, what if I don't go? Yeah? Umechukua ticket. Usiseme sikukuchanua. Premium Pass inakupatia 2 days all access, catering, chakula, and an after party. Yeah, and talking of the after party, nimesikia mzee mmoja anaitwa Ben Soul ni kama anatuandikia wimbo ya Odoo. Yeah? Na ni nduru za kuaminika. Umezisikia hapa for the first time. Yeah? So twende Odoo Experience. It will be happening at the Ngong Racecourse on the 3rd and the 4th of September. Link ya kununua ticket iko kwa description box. Please register now. Usiseme unangoja until later, because you never know. The tickets might have sold out by then. Yeah? Link kwa description box. Cheza kama wewe. Hi. Hi guys. How are you? Welcome back to another vlog. Wow, look at her. Look at her. With my new hairstyle, what do you think? Do you like it? And mine. I hope you guys are doing great. Sisi tuko poa. It's on Saturday. Na sasa I was about to make soup, guys, and I realized that so many of you wameniuliza, Judy, how do you make your soup? Nikasema, whomst am I? To refuse to show you how I usually make my soup. Yeah, bone soup. Pale DM, especially on Instagram. Kila time nikipost kasupu kangu asubuhi nikiworkout, lazima nipate watu wa kuuliza, soup yako unatengeneza aje? So today I show you. Yeah? So this is another random vlog. You just enjoy the vibes. Just enjoy the vibes. Because it's just gonna be full of vibes, right?
Sorry, why are you falling?
Yeah, so twende kazi. Mkambu utanisaidia kurecord, right?
I'll be the random in your video.
Yeah, she'll be the person recording.
I'm the highest in the room.
Opa, make it out here. Sure.
It's. When do we begin?
Now. We begin by getting the bones out of the fridge.
Okay, Mom is getting the bones out of the fridge.
Yeah. Here you go. These are the bones. This is about 2 kgs of bones. I normally get my bones from SmartHub Groceries. Yes, your one-stop shop. Your one-stop shop for everything. Veggies, meat, eggs. Fruits. What else? Meat. Yes. Mbaka supermarket shopping. Yes. Now my most favorite thing about them is that they deliver straight to your doorstep. Yeah. Nitaacha details zao hapo kwa description box in case anybody wants to hire them for their services. Yeah. So bones 2 kgs ready. Nilishazi defrost. Yeah. So sasa tunaanza your process. It's a very simple process, guys. So this is going to be a very short vlog, right?
Yeah.
Because it's a very simple process. Yeah. So twende kazi. Acha nichukue sufuria. Next sufuria.
So what's sufuria?
Let me get the sufuria.
Daily Fresh, I'm here again. Please sponsor me. Please. I'm the one who's finishing all your stocks in the supermarket. Please. I'm the one who's promoting all your things to everyone, all my friends. Please, Daily Fresh. Please. Thanks.
But this she loves her Dairy Fresh.
It's with every meal.
Every meal.
Yeah.
This is our sufuria. Ni kubwa. It's the biggest one. This is the biggest one that we have. Yes, this is the biggest one that we have. So utaiweka hapo. But alafu next tukatakate vitunguu. Na hii supu yetu hainanga nini mob by the hainanga ingredients mob. Hainanga madoido mob. We don't do a lot because we need to retain the taste of soup. Unataka ukikula unasikia soup. Hizo ni plantain muhimu sana pika kwa air fryer. We are lovers of plantain in this house.
Which is very spontaneous. Miss Japan of plantain. I only eat the ones in the house.
You see, you're confusing me.
What?
Guys, the first step inakuanga as I kata the onions, nachukuanga bones. Sure. Nachukuanga bones zetu, nawasha niwashie nini?
Ile kitu.
Kuka pale, cha Mungusa washe kuka. So nawashanga kuka. Nawasha sufuria yetu. Inashika moto, inakuwa quite na yati ishika moto, and then I put the bones inside. Nika roast kiasi. So zikiroast na kata kitunguu. Zikiroastiwa hivyo zinakuanga na
it has a name.
Yeah.
Smoky flavor.
Yes, smoky flavor. Thank you. Mama. Yes. So inaipeanga a smoky flavor. So zikisha boil, kisha pata now the final product inakuwa iko na a very rich taste which we like. Yeah. So
Najiona wewe.
Tuache inaitwa nini? Sufuria ishike moto and then tutaweka bones hapo ndani. Okay? In the meantime, let me cut the kitunguu. As Mumbua entertains us.
Nataka niwape fit check lakini hawanioni outfit.
Nitawaonyesha.
Ndio hiyo outfit.
Sure.
Everything about it is from Kiki. The shirts from the kids section actually it was written 9 to 10 years old but mini nani. And then boy shorts because that's all I wear in this house. Yeah. And then bonnet is from mom. Socks sijui zilispawn kwa closet. Kesho niko shule. Does that even make sense?
Kesho narudi shule. She's been home on midterm.
Yeah. This is my last break before my candidate.
Yes. In September anaingia her final year of school.
Yeah.
Wow. And then kidogo uni. Oh my gosh.
But I'm excited.
My gosh.
In school, I ran for president.
Oh yeah, she did. She's waiting to know if she won.
Yeah, the results will be out like second day after we open, like on Tuesday. Yeah.
Sometimes, let me say, what I know, sometimes I'm usually very worried.
Why?
Mumbua, I feel like sometimes you take on, like in school, you take on
so
much.
Things. Yeah, but is it affecting me?
No, actually, no, it is not.
Yeah, that's
your
why
academics
I do all these
things.
Yeah. I take on a lot because I know I can handle a lot.
Yeah, because Mumbua is everywhere. Our sufuria is hot. So, here are our bones.
Okay.
Yeah, so nasikia wanyama sizzling our mahede sizzling. Alafu vitunguu tunakata kubwa. I just cut them into halves, alafu unakata tu kubwa hivi. You don't need to cut.
Zinaitwa quarters, mom.
Oh, tunakata quarters. And then next guys ni garlic. Garlic is a must. For flavor, garlic is a must. Na niko na mbili. Cloves. Zinaitangwa cloves. No, clove ni aka kamoja. Ikiwa yote hivi mzima inaitangwa
simi clove.
Hi.
Cloves, mom.
Hi.
Did you pass English?
Tell us if he's telling us the truth. So, even for the garlic, unazi slice tu hivyo mara mbili.
Eva kubwa.
Si lazima tuzibonde, zikuwe fine. And now I want to show you mahali tuko na bones zetu. Zina brown kiasi hivyo. Tunafaa, I wish mnaweza care. So that is almost ready. And our maji is over there for getting in a boil.
Oh yeah, you should boil your water beforehand.
Oh yes.
Mumbua. Oh my god.
Mumbua.
Oh my god.
Huyu aliweka nini na usicho?
I'm sorry.
Yes. Aya, look at that. Wewe. Nanikia poa sana. So, that is what we wanted. So sasa iko ready. Next we put the water. We go in. Plus our spices. We're going to do the beef garlic, some salt, pink salt, some garlic. Garlic. And then we also add some black pepper. That's it. We're keeping everything so simple. Because tunataka irritate hiyo flavor ya
the natural flavor of meat.
Yeah, to overload na spices. So now, because the meat is looking good, I'm gonna put in the vitungus. Ndio pia ziiva hivi na hiyo mafuta yake kidogo, hiyo mafuta ya bones. Now ni karibu saa 6 na huyu mrembo atinde anatengeneza breakfast. So as our bones do their thing hapo na kitunguu kidogo, Mkamba ndio ana make breakfast, anakula eggs na spaghetti zilikuwa kwa fridge. Mchele.
Ama nitumbukize zote ndani.
Unaweza kula zote Mkamba.
This is a deadly dinner.
I mean, na spaghetti, but she's also adding
Skoomer. You know what? This is a deadly combination. If people think I'm weird, you're the problem.
Ooh.
Them, the one who thinks I'm weird. Yeah.
Ongeza pia skuma.
Hapa ndani. Girl, I'm weird, but not that weird.
Unataka kuongeza skuma wapi?
See, I get it in a separate bowl.
No.
My skuma will kauka. This is skuma from our own garden.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, this is our first harvest. Toka mkono tu. Sorry. Yes, hizo ni terere na kanzela. Kama ni kanzera, aitasijua nilitangu aje. Yes. It was the first harvest from our kitchen garden. We are very proud of ourselves.
Very, very proud. Hello?
The water has boiled. So now we put the water.
Coconut water.
Even the nakai onyesha kabla tuweke maji.
You fog up my camera. No.
Yeah, it looks fantabulous. Fantabulous.
It smells like chomaring ushago, like chomaring nyamu ushago.
Aye.
That's how it smells.
And then now
Put in the water. Coconut water. Ooh.
and then I go back to the tap.
Put more water and boil it. Yes, because tuta need kuongeza maji hapo mpaka Yeah.
We need soup to last us the whole week.
Here. That's how it's looking.
So I put water, another round. Actually, but so let me add that oil. After tunaweka maji moto so that we don't stop the boiling process.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not stop, but slow down.
Oh yes, slow down. Yeah, you put water so that you don't slow down the boiling process. Oh, actually kama ijai. Sasa mimi napimanga inafika hapa. Aka kalaini. Nikiweka maji ifike hapo na hiyo supu imetutosha for the week. So next we do the spices. Naekanga tu. Mimi napimanga tu kwa mantu. Usiniulize ngapi lita ngapi za maji. Royco cubes ngapi. Me I just pima, right? I just put. So I use this. This is a red. Ama kama niko na zile za yellow, hizi zinakuanga hivi no. But sasa niko tu na chicken, sina beef, zimeisha. So these ones will have to do. And this is where we are now. So we've added everything. Kitunguu, spices, garlic, enough water. Unaona imefika kwa ile line yetu hapa. So ikiwa hapo na jonge iko yetu perfect. Now we leave it to boil.
Wow, perfect fit. Oh my god. Are we recording? Guys, look.
Smile.
My milk and the straw. I lost my straw. I don't know where the straw is.
Yanaitwa Mumbua. So now we let it boil. Na sasa hapa ndio kuna mtihani, guys. You need to be very patient because now you have to leave it to boil for at least 2 hours. 1.5 hours to 2 hours.
The flavor.
Yeah, because we tuna need it boil, shike ikwe very flavorful. Sasa hapa unaiacha, unafunikia, and then you forget about it. You go watch a movie or a series.
Which is what you're about to do.
This is what you're about to do. So you go watch something, relax, as it does its thing. But what I normally do, sometimes na reduce moto kidogo. Yeah? So na reduce ya kidogo ndio it's like a slow boil. Si moto iko juu sana. So let me show you vile. At least vile napunguza kamoto kanabaki tu kadogo. Small. Hi, and now we go watch a movie. We catch a movie. Mkamba, tuna watch nini? Hebu nionyeshe.
Called.
What are we watching?
She made me rewind it because she found me watching it, and then now I have to like redecide because she wasn't watching it.
But tulikuwa tumewatch kidogo.
It's called Those Who Wish Me Dead.
Oh yeah.
It's good, I promise.
Those Who Wish Me Dead on Netflix. That's our watch. Hiya basi, so we have like 2 hours to kill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, before our soup is ready. Plantain, skuma, spaghetti na mayai. Wow. Hey, movie yetu imeshika. Hey, please go watch that movie. Yeah? Ati, what's the title again, Mkamba? Yes, Those Who Wish Me Dead. Yes, watch it on Netflix. But guys, it's been like 1 hour 45 minutes, thereabout, almost 2 hours. Na supu yetu iko poa. Let me show you. There we go. Imechemka. So nataka kuizimia. Tuizimie mpaka ipoe, and then I'll show you the next step, guys. I'll show you the next step after here. Imeboil kutosha. So we switch off, and then I'll show you. We let it cool kabisa, then I'll show you the next step. Yeah, so our soup is ready and it has cooled down. Yeah. So now next step is blending. Yeah. Of course, there are 2 ways you can mix it. Ile bushari
Ile kitungi.
Ile bucheri ya kuchapa na kibuyu ama ya kublend. As we blend, because of course it's easier. It makes work easier. You want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, mix.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is what we have, guys.
Hey, where's our muffin?
Here we go. So here we go. Oh yeah. You see? Sasa ndio inakuwa kama ile ya butcher umezoea, inakuwa white nini. Alafu sasa kitunguu, garlic, kila kitu inachanganyishana. Nice. And then we normally store them in these chupas, 2 chupas. But it's still warm, so nitaziweka kwa chupa. Alafu tunazichapa juu kwa counter until ipoe kabisa before we put it in the fridge. Yeah, so for the bones, sijamaliza kuzichemsha. So ndaziacha hapa zipoe kabisa. And then I will boil them one more time. I boil my bones at least twice before I throw them away. Yeah? So, but the next time nikizi boil na hakikishanga sijazi maji sufuria naeka kama maybe halfway. Onyesha kama unaona si
well nakachai.
Nakachai, but it's very let me put. So, for when you wanapenda kafiri kama mimi lazima niweke a bit of cayenne. This is cayenne.
Hata mimi niweke.
Okay. A bit of cayenne. So this is how I suppose it's like.
Yeah. I'm getting.
Yes. Oh, hot. Alright,
Next guys, tune back in next time in our next
That's it.
vlog.
Yes.
Next time we'll show you how to make my spaghetti and mayai and plantain and skuma. Yes, tune in.
No.
Yes.
No.
Bye guys.
And
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
I did. See you. Yeah. Wish me luck. I'm going to school.